Let's learn about HTML attributes. We use HTML attributes to provide extra information about an element. For example, let's take the IMG tag. This tag is used to add images to a web page. Don't worry about memorizing tag names right now. You'll get plenty of practice using them later, so there's no need to remember them all at once. If we only use the IMG tag by itself and expect something to happen, nothing will. That's because the tag alone doesn't provide enough information, and the browser won't know what image to display. To fix this, we need to specify which image we want to show. We do this by using the source attribute. The src attribute tells the browser the path to the image we want to display. This is how attributes work. They provide additional information that makes the element functional. We can also adjust things like the size of the image by using the width and height attributes. Now you understand the basics of HTML attributes and how they work. A few key things to remember about attributes. Every HTML element can have attributes, but attributes are always included in the opening tag, not in the content or the closing tag. The syntax for attributes is simple. It's name and value pair. For example, this has src as the attribute name and the file path as the value. If you want to learn more HTML attributes, I highly recommend reading the MDN web docs. It's like a magic book for web developers. I'll include the link in the description. In the next video, we'll take everything we've learned so far and build our very first web page. See you there.